Fiza udah ada kan?
Udah.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable Mr. Satria and my beloved friends, good morning, everybody. How are you today? I hope all of you are all good condition so that we can attend on this online meeting. Well, today, my friend and I want to present the material about an error analysis of the student thesis and title Recontext at the second semester, the correlation between student reading and register of the 10th grade of SMA Piri Jati Agung Sot Lampung. And before that, my name is Anissa Fikrizian Melantika from group 9 and my friends Afiza Afeliani for material first. Okay. The first material will be delivered by Fiza Afelia. To Fiza, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Nisa. Definition of error. Error are considered to be systematic governed by rules and repairs and efforts because a learner's knowledge of the rules of the target language is complete. Meanwhile, mistakes are unisystematic features of production that speakers will correct if their attention are drawn to them. Errors are the result of incomplete knowledge and mistakes are made by a learner when they are reading or are speaking and caused by lack of attention, fatigue, carelessness, or some other aspect performance. In the same case, Brown says that mistake refers to the performance error that is either a random use or slip, in that is failure to utilize a noun system correctly. Okay. It can be concluded that errors are grammatically incorrect forms that occur in writing or speaking happen because of the incomplete learning or knowledge of grammatical rules of language and can be self-correct. But mistakes or lapses are socially inappropriate forms that happen because of the lack of attention, fatigue, and carelessness and can be self-correct. Next slide. Types of error. In a lengthy consideration of errors, there are broad classification of error, namely linguistic category taxonomy, surface strategy taxonomy, comparative taxonomy, communicative effect taxonomy. The word taxonomy is on one of them employed in the present study. Number 1, linguistic category taxonomy. Many error taxonomies have been based on the linguistic item which is affected by the error. These linguistic category taxonomies classify errors according to either both the language component and the particular linguistic constituent that the error affects. Language components include phonology or pronunciation, syntax and morphology or grammar, semantic and lexicon or meaning and vocabulary, and discourse or style. Number 2, surface strategy taxonomy. The surface strategic taxonomy is classification system based on the ways in which the learner's erroneous version is different from the presumed target version. It highlights the ways the surface structures divide. For example, learners might omit necessary items of at unnecessary ones. They may misterm item or misorder them. By using surface strategic taxonomy, the error classification can be a clear description about cognitive processes that underline the learner's reconstruction of the new language or language being learned. It also makes use over the dead learners. Number 3, comparative taxonomy. Comparative taxonomy, the classification of errors in errors in comparative taxonomy is based on comparison between structures of second language errors and certain other types of constructions. 39. If we are to use comparative taxonomy to classify the errors of another part-time research on this matter has shown that errors that reflect the overall organization of the sentence usually do not hinder communication. Based on this taxonomy, categorize errors into global error and local error. Okay, next. This is table of error analysis, identification of error, types of error, explanation and reconstruction of error. Number 1, her beloved friend Novi Ahsana, who always help her in finishing this script. Type of error, misformation, explanation and reconstruction of error. Here in the sentence seems to be wrong pronoun because the writer is a man, but the pronoun used in sentence is verb woman, so we must change the pronoun in the sentence. Reconstruction, his beloved friend Novi Ahsana, who always helped him in finishing the script. Number 2, in the identification of error. Beside the fact that everyone has his or her own opinions and view about something, many reading experts also give their opinions and view about reading. Types of error, misordering, explanation and reconstruction of error. Even if a sentence are grammatically correct, using here on or here in that sentence, he might be unclear or hard to follow. Awkward, pricing, or unnecessary words force your reader to work harder to understand what you mean. Very long or overcomplicated sentence can lead to the same problem. So cutting extra words, tightening up awkward phrasing, and making sure your sentence isn't too long good ways to make your writing clearer. Reconstruction, beside the that everyone has their own opinions and view about something, many reading experts also give their opinions and view about reading. Okay, thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you for explaining materialnya, Fida. And the next material, number 3, beside, writing can be omission, said to be the act of forming text symbol, marking on a flat surface of some kind. The conjunction that used in that sentence is not complete. Consider complete the conjunction is based that writing can be said to be that act of forming these symbols, marking a flat surface of some kind. And the next, number 4. And the sentence is, therefore, reading English is important. Therefore, reading English is important use, because by reading English text, the student can get knowledge that might be useful for them. The problem sentence is used see to be missing conjunction before it. Consider adding a conjunction, and the right conjunction for this sentence is for. Reconstruction is, therefore, reading English is important for us, because by reading English text, the student can get knowledge that might be useful for them. And the next is the number 5. The student recount misordering. Text reading ability is the student ability to comprehend a reading passage about which include their ability to identification my idea, inference, grammatical, future, detail include unwritten fact, supporting idea, and vocabulary in context. Even if a sentence is grammatically correct, the sentence still might be unclear or hard to follow. Awkward phrasing of unnecessary word for your reading to work hard to understand what you mean. Very long or overcomplicated sentence can lead to the same problem. So cutting extra word technique of awkward phrasing and making sure your sentence is too long good way to make your reading clear. Reconstruction is the student recontext reading ability is the ability of student. And the conclusion in this thesis is analysis is a use technical to define the learned error of second language. It is benefit to the learner and the teacher both because it gives valuable feedback to both teacher and learner regarding strategies and progress. It is compulsory to evaluate the current status of the learner. It also indicates the problem and the solution of them. Based on the discussion of the analysis in the chapter 2, it can be concluded that is the error which occur in the Heki-Sahrawan's thesis are omission, addition, misformation, and also misordering. Meanwhile, the omission as by target language happen because the student do not apply the norm or rules of the target language correctly and completely. Jadi, berdasarkan analisis pada bab 2 ini, pada bab 2 di skripsinya Mr. Heki Sahrawan, dapat disimpulkan bahwa kesalahan-kesalahan yang terjadi pada skripsi Heki Sahrawan adalah penghilangan, penambahan, kesalahan formasi, dan juga penyederhanaannya. Untuk lebih lengkapnya yang dianalisis errornya bisa dilihat di paper. Dan disebabkan oleh bahasa sasaran terjadi karena tidak menerapkan norma-norma atau mengikuti peraturan yang ada. And the next suggestion, the occurring of the error show that the student reading ability and especially their mastering of grammatical structure are less. They happen because the student do not learn English well and practice. They happen because the student do not learn English well and practice it less. Because of this, the written suggests that the student improve their reading ability and their mastering of grammatical structure, learn them hard and practice them more whatever in the classes or out the classes, because learning English basically is practice. So, I think enough for this presentation. Tutup apa gimana, Ki? I think enough for presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to Lucky.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Stop.